Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best travel cameras you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. After all, who don't like to travel across different beautiful and historical places? But visiting some place is not only thing we love. We also want to capture our presence in the beauty of these places. For that purpose, you need an advanced, high quality and suitable traveling camera with you. So here we are with the list of top 3 best traveling cameras that may suit your needs and enhance your traveling experience. This list is based on my personal opinion and researchers enlisted them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Sony 6400. If you are a photographer looking to upgrade your setup or switch from DSLR to a more compact mirrorless camera, the Sony a6400 is the camera for you. It produces for sports and wildlife photography. It was only available as a body for photographers who already have suitable lenses. It has a touchscreen with a 3-inch LCD, which is an upgrade over previous model. Set the autofocus point using touch input. The pros of Sony a6400: compact build, selfie LCD, accurate autofocus. And cons of Sony a6 chargers is included. Flip-up screen, not ideal for vloggers. On number 2, GoPro Hero 8 Black. Although it doesn't come up with the feature that its successor have like a front-facing screen and 5K video, GoPro Hero 8 Black is still an excellent all-rounder camera for travelers. As a traveler, sometimes you have to get wet, so you need a camera that is waterproof. GoPro Hero 8 Black is a good option for that purpose. Compatible with GoPro's mod accessories, GoPro Hero 8 Black comes up with higher max bitrate and 1080p live streaming. Pros of GoPro Hero 8 Black: new media mode, new built-in mount, excellent image stabilization. Cons of GoPro Hero 8 Black: poor low light performance, sub-smartphone picture quality. On number 1, Fujifilm X-S10 mirrorless. A small mid-range mirrorless camera that is available in market. Fujifilm X-S10 mirrorless is designed as all-rounder that is good with both pictures and videos. Its autofocus performs impressively, but subject tracking is not as advanced as it should be. Strong video specification, proven APS-C sensor, and large grip and great handling are the key features of Fujifilm X-S10 mirrorless camera that make it worth to buy. Pros of Fujifilm X-S10 mirrorless: IBIS in a small body, strong video space, proven APS-C sensor. Cons of Fujifilm X-S10 mirrorless: no weatherproofing, minor control annoyance. So guys, this was the video about the best travel cameras. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you really enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.